Come on.
What's that right there? See that? You see the egg? Pick it up.
You got it.
You got an egg. Put it in the basket. Good job. There's more. Look. Find the eggs. Do you see another egg?
Did you find one?
Put it in
Good
the
job.
basket. Look at me cracked. All right. Where are there more eggs?
Do you see any more, Hayden? You got one!
There's something in it. You see the green egg?
You see any more eggs?
Another one.
You found one?
Egg.
Here, put it in your bucket. Put them all in there. You found another one? Good job. Good job, Hayden. Take your bucket and let's go get all the eggs. You see any more?
I think he sees one.
Hey!
Good job.
More egg.
Did you see any more?
You found one.
Good job. You see any more? Hey!
More egg.
Good job.
More egg.
Yeah, keep finding them.
Those shoes are way too big for him.
Puppy doggy.
Yeah.
Stay focused.
Where's the other egg, Hayden? Hayden, do you see any more?
I see some more.
I see some eggs. Hayden.
They're hiding.